Hi, I'm Julia, a technical service representative at XL Dryer. XL Dryer manufactures hand dryers in East Longmeadow, Massachusetts. We are proud to say we make the only hand dryer that is made in the USA certified. We have created a series of videos to help you maintain your XL hand dryer. This video will help you troubleshoot your XLERATOrSync hand dryer. Before installing the XLERATOrSync dryer, test the unit by plugging it in to be sure of proper function. After installing, sometimes there may be an issue with operation. There are two things to check with the optic wire. In the connector of the optic wire, there are pins that can get bent when plugging in for the first time. If they are bent, the proper connection cannot be made. Check to be sure the connector pins are straight. If not, you can gently straighten with needle nose pliers. The second thing to check is to ensure the optic wire is properly in its slot. Below the counter and spout, the optic wire fits into a notch in the hose. If the wire is pinched, it will not allow for proper connection. If the unit was working but stopped, check the LED light on the dryer box to see if it is flashing an error code or if the LED light on the box is solid. If it is a solid light, does it remain solid when hands are under the spout? This would indicate you have a bad sensor. A flashing LED light on the dryer box can be for maintenance, motor, or heater problems. The following codes identify maintenance is needed. Note the following codes can be due to motor problems. And lastly, heater problem codes. Thank you for your interest, and if this video still leaves you with questions, please call our customer service department at XL Dryer at 800-255-9235.